It's that bridge pickup. It's that SH6.
Yeah, sounds good. I've never seen one of these myself. The word is Bill when you find it. That's the fine. Just to plug up the highs and do it. I love the paint. Yeah, so cool. Solid cabinet too.
Oh, that's that Seymour Duncan stacked, and notice there's no noise. Those stacked things, the technology they use to keep those from
His telly we
humming.
put together was an SX telly movie. He's got a stacked bridge pickup in it, and that thing is awesome in the telegraph.
Yeah, so really in that I was going stacked, and humbucker, so really it was going to be like humbucker, even though a stacked single coil isn't a humbucker. It's got the humbucker effect of cancellation.
Yes, that's the whole thing. I think about this stuff too, and I'm like, wow.
And this is why I wanted the pure clean tone, so when you did this, it would just...
Yeah. That's a thing. A lot of guitars don't. You know, when they clean up, they don't clean up.
I went for tone.
You got it.
Smooth edges and tone. I wanted to make her a beauty.
Riley, I'm going to plug it into the hot real quick and we'll check this out and see what it's doing. Okay. Session 9 watts. 3, 2, 1.
You can hear the twang.
Mm-hmm. That really brings it out on that high tone, guys. That sounds cool.
Next time I'll bring the Monterey Strat in.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I got a Monterey. And she does. She sounds just like...
I can imagine.
Sounds just like a Fiesta Red from back in the day. The way they have it.
Fiesta. What a color on Fender, right?
Yeah, but they did it. They sprayed it white. They did all the paint, all the decorating, just like he did it.
This is very cool.
That is.
Thank you, sir.
Good work, man. Yeah, I know why you're proud of that.
It took me a year and a half to finally, I waited for the parts and I planned everything out, and I kept switching back and forth on the pickups, but Seymour Duncan's always been so good to me.
Yeah, man. I get it. Trust me, we've done the same stuff.
But, you know, Larry Darmazio has done some great work and has some great stuff, and I wanted to put him on the guitar too in the middle.
Yeah.
So because both of them done amazing things.
I agree. Where would we be without them? It'd be boring, man. At least you get some options, you know.
But when I put that big ass bridge weight in there,
I love those knobs.
it was in such bad shape though. When the guy wanted $125, I said, "Dude, I'll give you $105 for it."
Yeah.
But the tuners were shot and the pickups were shot and the wiring was a hornet's nest and it was whacked with an axe and it had "I belong."
Like finding an old car in a garage somewhere.
It had "I belong to Christy" written in black magic marker.
Who does
on it.
that? You know, come on.
She's a possessive girl.
Yeah, I guess so.
Evidently, he still got Christy and doesn't have the guitar.
She won.
I guess so. but I'd read up about them, and then I found one just like this. So that's what I got the boy. And I explained to him, you got your first real Fender Strat. It's really an American body, an American neck, and you can upgrade it how you want. I've been teaching him everything about how to do it, how to do his setup, how to do intonation. You know, tell him not to be afraid of truss rod. That's what was the matter with this one. A truss rod, it had flattened out. It just needed to be done just a little bit. And then somebody says, well, I did that before and it didn't do anything. Well, did you wait and take it the next day? It takes about 24 hours. If it's not a bow that you're taking out, a bow will come out if it's arched up, it'll come out right away as you're tightening it. It'll come out right away. But if you're trying to get it to go ahead and loosen up, so it'll go ahead and bow down a little, you got to give it a day for the neck to move.
Nice. I didn't know that. I had read that somewhere, but I didn't quite, never tried it yet to do that. But it's important. You do have to have that little bit of a bow in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we like the lower end guitars too, like the Epiphone over there and stuff. Just modding them. I've done some pretty fun stuff with them. That's special too. Is a good platform.
That one bridge pickup has such a good sound.
It's all around. You can do a little bit of everything.
And I think I was doing a little AC/DC with it earlier because it plays that really good on that SH6.
It does have an SG-like sound if you want to get down with it.
Let's see.
What do you think about that?
That's why my fingers are raw on the outside edge.
It's a good time.
Doing AC/DC, just slamming it, dude. I was just
Well, it's good to have fun like that with it.